Well, hey everybody. This is Tavia, the DNA collector specialist from Tab Diagnostic Services. Yeah, DNA collector specialist. This is just one of the hats I wear. And I'm just here to bust some myths about DNA tests in the process. Now, I have had a lot of questions when called about our DNA testing services. One of them is, of course, the price, but another one is the actual process. A lot of people have the misconception that a DNA test involves blood draw. All right, so there are two different DNA tests. Now, if you are testing, getting a test done, and your child or potential child is born, like his the mother is not pregnant with the baby is already here, or the child is already here, then you don't need a blood draw test. You just get a mouth swab, and I've done a little quick video of that, and I can share it again. But it just involve a cheek swab and is sent off for testing. So no blood draw is needed for that type of test. But if the baby isn't born yet, of course you can't test a baby that's not here, right? But if it's of importance that it's done before the baby gets here, then it does require a blood draw. So the mother gets her blood drawn, okay, because she's pregnant with the baby, and then the father, he just get the cheek swab. So the father, he gets the easy part of it. As usual, the mom has to bear the most the most headache, but it's all for the benefit of the child, because a peace of mind gives you the opportunity to enjoy the whole pregnancy process, and after the baby is born, you don't have to worry about anything because all the questions are answered. And that's what a DNA test does. It's science-based proof if a father is a father or not, right? And again, they also have tests for mothers too. That's a separate whole nother video. But I just want to bust that myth. No, you do not need a blood test if the child is here. But if the child has not been born yet, the mother will require just a simple prick, painless, and the father will get a cheek swab, and it's sent off to the same lab, and the process is the same. So hopefully that dispels some bad thinking about if you should do a test or not, because not everybody likes needles. Not everybody wants to even go through the process, let alone get poked, right? But if your child is here, no blood draw needed. Mother isn't needed either. But if your child is not here, the baby is